paano ba pumasok yung eufy dito sa Pilipinas?
Well, eufy started last 2018 eh. And actually, eufy is a brand under Anchor Innovations. So if you're familiar with Anchor, the power banks, the chargers.
Yun yung power bank na tumatagal sa'yo eh. Lahat sisira mo ng power bank,
grabe
diba?
ka.
So eufy is a smart home brand under Anchor. And one of the products of eufy is their security products. And since it's a smart product nga, we need internet to use these products. We've partnered with PLDT, the number one internet provider here in the Philippines.
You know.
And with PLDT, we know that our products or the eufy users will experience more safer home with eufy and PLDT.
Well, that's super interesting. So PLDT Home, eufy. What do you have other products in your pipeline? You know, aside from the camera and door locks.
Yeah, we do actually. We also have our RoboVacs, our home vacuums.
Babe, gusto mo niyan?
Kailangan ko yun.
Yeah, it's a must-have if you want to start a smart home talaga.
Kasi tamad siya maglinis eh.
Grabe siya. Pero paano yun? As in, gumagalaw lang on its own?
Yes. So, smart dynamic, like, it follows a straight pattern. It has a pattern talaga on how it's going to clean your home, etc., etc.
Oh, everything is personalized,
Yes.
no?
But right now, the focus of eufy, at least, at this moment, is yung mga security cameras. Yun yung nabanggit mo, di ba?
Yes.
Oh, so, napansin ko sa tabi ni Bea para may mga stick na camera dyan eh. Pag-usapan nga natin, ano ba yung mga iba't ibang camera na yan?
Okay. Starting with the indoor camera, it's a 2K security camera, meaning it has 2K resolution.
Wow.
Sobrang clear nang nakikita nyo images from the camera.
Wow.
Then the next best thing about this is that it has a two-way audio communication.
What does that mean?
So basically, you can speak from your camera. It's like you're talking to someone.
Okay.
Like if you're away from your home, Bea, then si Jech nasa house lang. You can talk using the security camera.
Ganun?
Yes.
Kailangan ko na yan.
Lagot ka sa akin.
Inuuna mo na. Kailangan ko yan. Nalinis.
So ano?
Naghugas ka na ba ng pinggan?
Ganon.
Parang Big Brother.
Oo. Parang hindi mo yata nalinis yun ah. Parang ganun.
Pero actually, parang pwede yan. Kasi babe, diba, madalas tayong umaalis ng bahay. Tapos naiiwan natin si Fergie. Fergie the cat. So pag ganun, pwede namin siyang kausapin.
Yes, pwede nyo siyang kausapin.
And in 2K resolution.
Yes, in 2K resolution. And another best thing with this product is it has a 380 degrees camera angle.
Talaga?
So yeah, I can actually show it to you.
Cute! Kung makikita nyo guys sa ating video, ito po ang itsura ng ating eufy indoor camera.
Ang linis.
Super cute. Ay, umiikot na siya! Mukha siyang
R2D2.
Yes, R2D2!
Ang galing.
Hello!
Pero ang linis niya. Ang linis, di ba? And it's just white. Looks very clean. You put it anywhere, it looks very, anong tawag nila ngayon? Aesthetic.
Aesthetic
Boom.
siya, babe.
Yeah.
Aesthetic. And then if you could see from your phone, we saw like a little view of our shooting area right now. And it is very clear, babe. Did you see?
Actually, gusto kong, parang yung curious talaga ako dyan, yung two-way communication. Diba?
Dapat ba may ano?
Kakausapin ko si Fergie sa bahay.
Kausapin natin yung sarili natin dito. Ganon.
Oo. Hindi ko na kakausapin. Si Fergie yung kakausapin ko.
Mas important yung cat.
Alam mo, may sinasabi nga sa akin minsan eh, parang pag aalis na ako ng bahay pag umaga, pag sabihin ko lang kay Bea, alis na ako ha. Ganun. Tapos parang kay Fergie, bye! Bye, baby! Sabi niya, bakit ganun?
Sobrang stark contrast no? But yeah, that would be a really awesome thing to have in your home, especially if you have a pet or even just a loved one who is left there. Pwede mo siyang not kulitin, gano'n na.
Oo,
pwede bang
diba?
mangulit-ngulit lang?
Oh, I'm sure pwede mong kulit-kulitin yan. So nakita ko, it rotates.
Yes.
Diba? You have your two-way communication, the resolution is great. Are there any other features for that for this indoor camera that
Yeah.
you want to highlight?
Yeah.
Yeah, it also has an AI detection.
Anong sabihin nun?
So basically, it can detect a pet or if it's a pet or if it's a human.
Okay.
So like for example, si Bea, she's going home. Automatically, you'll receive a notification that Bea's home.
Oh.
Yeah,
Sa phone ko.
Sa phone mo. Yeah. Then at the same time with your pets, like for example, with your cat, you will also receive a notification from your phone when it detects that your cat is just playing around.
Talaga?
Or yeah.
So, ibig sabihin, kunwari, I'm trying to picture it. So, in the living room, let's say, tas makunan niya yung picture, makuha niya yung picture ni Bea. Sa phone ko may lalabas
Yes.
na notice.
Yes.
Na there's a person.
Yes, that there's a
Ganon.
person. Yeah.
Person. Oo. Kasi they will know daw, babe, from the artificial intelligence if it's a person or if it's a pet.
If it's a pet. Well, what's the notice that will come out on your phone?
It's a notification wherein you'll also receive an image.
Wow.
Yeah, so that you'll know who's at your door, if it's a stranger or not.
Yeah.
And that's what makes eufy secure your home.
Okay yun na. So parang malalaman mo, titit, nakauwi na ang asawa mo.
Hindi yata siya nagtatagalog ng
Ah,
gano'n.
hindi
pero,
ba? Your husband's home? Ayan.
But
So,
yes, yeah.
what kind of person or family or user is this good for?
Yeah, so I think this product is best for someone who's living with a small space. So he or she can easily check if there's something wrong with his or her home. And I think it's the best security camera for condo owners.
Wow.
I
Yeah.
think that's why we can relate so well to this
Yes,
one.
yes.
Right?
Oo.
It is very compact and it's very cute. And saktong-sakto siya kasi maliit din ang ating condo.
Oo. Di ba, later on, lilipat ka sa mas malaking. So, pag lumipat ka sa mas malaking condo, mas malaking eufy cam na yung kailangan
Yes.
mo.
Ganon.
Later.
Mamaya. Oo.
Mamaya.
See?
Di ba? Pero sige, alam ko parang sobrang na-curious ka eh. Kasi iniisip mo na parang how you apply it with, with Fergie.
If you're considering bringing your home security a notch higher, you can do so with the PLDT Home Security Devices.
Tama yan. You can ensure your family's safety with a different security products available that will give you peace of mind anytime, anywhere. Diba? Just visit pldthome.com/eufy for more details.
Hi, I'm Alfred Laquian. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the PLDT Home YouTube channel.